Hey guys, my name is Vanessa Connery, and I'm the science teacher here at APS Avenues. If you're in the blended program or the virtual program or the GED program, I'll be your science person. So I just want to say welcome. I know it's a really crazy year, and I hope you and your family have been healthy and well. And this video is just going to talk you through how our classes are going to work this quarter and how we can help support you and hopefully most of what you need to know. So I just wanted to start out by saying it's been a strange year in a lot of ways, and some of those are translating to school. So we're full virtual through at least October, and then we don't really know what's going to happen after that. And that means there's some shifts in the way classes are being taught, especially at the high school level. So rather than taking, 4 or 5 or 6 classes at a time, you guys will be focused on 1, 2, 3 classes at a time. We're doing 20-day sessions. So what I would usually teach in a semester or 16 weeks of science is being condensed down into to 4 weeks or 20 days instead. So to do that, what the district has done is they've decided that we are going to have 3-hour live sessions every school day, Monday through Thursday. So if you are in earth science or biology or GED class, you need to log in at whatever your time slot is, and you need to stay on with your teacher for 3 hours straight through Google Meet. So we'll get you more information about that, but um, it is live and you are expected to stay and engage for the whole 3 hours. And we'll be taking attendance every day just like we usually would. Those 3 hours are meant to give you time to work, give me time to actually teach you stuff like I would in a classroom, for me to support you and answer questions, things like that. It'll almost be like 3 mini 1 hour lessons, cramped into 3 hours. Fridays, you do not have to be in class live. Fridays are sort of a work on your own day. There will still be work assigned, but you have to do it kind of at your own pace. So that's just an overview of the structure that's so different this year. If you are a student who's enrolled in the fully virtual program, so not our blended program, because with blended you'd usually be in person most of the time. But if you're a student who's actually full virtual, you don't have to necessarily come to my live class, but you do still have to log in and complete work each day for attendance purposes. So just wanted to let you guys know how that's working. What else do we need to talk about? There is the whole idea that if you're missing one 3-hour class now, it's almost like missing 4 to 5 regular classes because every day is kind of like 4 or 5 days worth of learning in one. So if you guys have to miss a class, let me know how I can help get you caught up, and what we can do to support you, because we don't want you falling behind because of the pace of this 20-day session that's happening. I guess everything else is just letting us know how we can help you. Since we're full virtual, there will probably be some technical issues that we'll run into. If you guys have tech and it's not working, or if you need tech from the district, let us know and we will distribute that to you. There's also a lot of like mental health support and counseling support. If you guys need to be connected to anybody, we have a really good staff who are glad to reach out to you and just do one-on-one sessions. We still have a food pantry, so if you guys need access to that or would like access to that, let us know and we'll figure that out. And then the other thing is just accessing materials when you're full virtual. It's a lot easier when you're in person and I could just hand you a piece of paper with the worksheet or the project, and it's a little harder when you're working from home because I've tried to make all the documents as user friendly as possible, but some things are going to be in PDF form. So if you don't have a printer or materials that allow you to access that, we'll figure out together some way to get you the physical paper materials. So everything told, I just want you guys to know that we're excited to have you, even though it's like a crazy year. We're going to get you through it, and please ask us for anything, and we'll do everything we can to help you out. All right, take care.